Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute Pusheen Maki roll. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off at the top and let's draw a large sideways oval. Then let's hop in and let's draw a line down in the center. And then angle it down and out on each side underneath. Next, we're going to hop out to the sides and let's draw a curve out and down. And connect it with a long curve across. Now let's finish off the top by drawing bumps across, like this. And that's it for the top. Now let's move down and let's draw a line down on each side. And then a curve across at the bottom. Now underneath, we're going to draw some more rice by drawing a bump in on each side. And connect it with a bumpy line across, dipping it down in the center. Now that we have the shape of the body, let's hop in and draw the face. Let's start near the top and let's draw a long, skinny oval. And then one more on each side. Now on both sides, let's draw the ears by curving it up and back down. Now let's hop underneath in the center and draw the mouth with two curves down and out. Then let's hop out and let's draw two circles for the eyes. And color these both in black. And lastly, let's draw two curves out on each side for the whiskers. And that's it for this Maki roll Pusheen. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me. And please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!